So I got this backpack because I've been using this little suitcase or another regular backpack. You see, kind of everything fits a little tight in there. I just had taken some stuff out, so it's a little out of order. But I'm using a little suitcase to carry all the camera gear. So I figured it was time to get the proper camera bag. Hopefully it fits, because I got kind of a large bag. It said 30 liter, 33 liter. K&F concept bag. It looked nice online, but it's a lot different when you see things online and then when you get it in person, it's a different thing. But I liked it because it had these waist straps here with a little heavier duty. It's got the little bags, extra storage. You can find others for the a little more specs, but I even like these little things here on the zippers. Makes it a little easier. Like I said, it has little bags here on the waist. This seems a little nicer here on the chest straps. And of course, like I said, it looks nice online, but it looks even nicer in person. This great for ventilation for your back. Oh, it said something about taking your measurement, medium something. Oh, here it is. See how that works. I've got to figure out how to check your size here, but large, medium, small. Well, gotta figure that out. Where to set that? Put it on medium. Well, we can do that later. And I guess we can figure it out now. Put it on medium. So what I did is I just slipped it there. I guess that's it. Did I see Velcro? Where's the Velcro go? Well, that'll have to do for now. All right, so one thing I liked about it is it's supposed to have another bag inside. For am I even in the picture? For this bag, I can put other stuff inside. It's got all kinds of kinds of stuff. It's got a little strap. And you can do all kinds of stuff with this. Oh man. I guess these are your little dividers. All kinds of dividers. We're gonna have to figure out how to divide it. Another little bag right here. So there's that. And you're supposed to also be able to get to the top part through here somehow. Oh, there it is. Yeah, you can get in top part through there. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I would probably fit some stuff there and then keep this on the side. I've seen some videos where you have the guy has his camera gear there and then just takes it out. But I would probably have stuff there and then have this on the side. I don't know. I have to figure it out. See how much stuff I can fit. And then another cool feature is you can put your tripod, if I figured it out, yeah. So you can put your tripod here. I'll try not to. So you have a little bag here for your tripod or water bottle. Like that. And if you don't want it to extend, you have another bag down here. A little extra bag. I didn't want to take the tripod out of the bag. I guess you can just have a leg or two go in this little bag here. That way it and now your tripod doesn't extend all the way up. Tripod, or it could just stick out. So that's that little bag on the side. It works. That was a lot of time for that, and hide it back in here. this? I guess this is just a little flap for your cards or something. And then here's the... Okay. So we got another compartment here. And we're still missing this whole other compartment here. Ah. Oh, there we go. Magic. Ah, there we go. That's what that was. So there's this little flap here. And there's a whole other section here. That's a whole lot of stuff. I'm gonna get lost with this thing. Oh, and a little rain bag for when it rains. All right.
You can play all your favorite songs on demand, completely ad-free. That means song after song with no ads in between. New customers can try it free for 30 days. Renews automatically for as little as $5.99 a month.
Whole lot of little letters.
Try Amazon Music Unlimited.
Okay, I'm gonna be here for a while trying to figure out what goes where. Function instructions, camera partition, tips card. The stuff you read once you can't figure it out. All right, so here it is. I think I got this, but they might not all fit. I set it on medium, but I think I might have to set it on large. Well, has a nice feel. Feels nice and snug. All right, that was it. K&F 30-liter bag. Backpack. It's called a backpack. I also got it this size so you can fit it on a plane. That should be no problem for the plane. Carry on. Carry on.